Holes Gulch National, or what's it called again? Holes Gulch Recreational Trail or something. 6.3 miles round trip. Supposedly there's a water. It's been a really pretty trail. Greenery, some flowers, different colored plants and stuff. Not bad. Steady uphill. Nothing too hard, but I'm a bit out of shape, so I'm starting to feel a little tired. But it's a good trail. So many wildflowers, prairie sunflowers, and other flowers. We've chosen the left fork of the trail, which is steeper. You come down through there, I guess. Oh, there goes somebody's dog. Challenging route up the loop. Oop, there's my chicken pole. It is. There must have been some water flowing down it.
Yeah. This would be a good place to eat too. But...
Yeah, it's a lot farther than the other one. Beautiful little view here. We should start going downhill here pretty quick. But we're about to reach a trail junction to another trailhead. Begin our descent. It really is beautiful. Not as beautiful as the Sierra, but still beautiful. On our way out on the far side of the loop. Sure is really pretty. Perfect day for hiking. I'm glad we took the left fork of the loop because it was nice and challenging. This is really nice just walking through here. Coming to the end of our hike here. Pretty nice little moderate hike. Yeah, I really like this trail. Perfect day for it. Cloud cover, some nice breeze, some pretty scenery. So yeah, what a great little hike.